Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're going shopping. Not at the Wynn and Encore, I only go there when I can splurge. Not at the Grand Canal shops, I'm looking for something a little more mainstream. And not the TI, I don't think I'll find any interesting shops there. Wait, what's this behind me? It looks like a mall. It looks like a freaking huge mall. It's the Fashion Show Mall here on the Las Vegas Strip. Let's go check this place out. The Fashion Show Mall is quite a popular attraction here on the Las Vegas Strip with the tourists. It's located on Spring Mountain Road in Las Vegas Boulevard. You know, the intersection where the Wynn, the Palazzo, the TI, and this mall meet. When you're on the Strip, it's very hard not to notice this place. It looks like a flying saucer, a huge flying saucer is about to land on top of it. Hold on tight. Last time I stopped into the Fashion Show Mall, it was early June, just when the Strip opened, and the place was a ghost town. Not only was no one in it, but pretty much for a good reason. None of the shops were really even open. Now that the Strip's a little busier, let's see if people are shopping and what stores are open. Let's step inside, cool off, and check out Fashion Show Mall. So right off the bat here, it looks like a lot of the stores have reopened. There seems to be more people in the mall, and the shops are being cautious by just allowing a certain amount of people in the store at a time. Again, last time I was here, the Strip had just opened a day or two before my visit, and most of these stores were closed, and I felt like I was the only person in this entire mall. It was kind of scary, actually. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Typically when I make a video, I like to do levels at a time, like the first level or the second level. Obviously right now we're on the second level. But this mall's kind of weird in that halfway through it kind of drops off into a middle level. And you guys know me, I'm easily confused, and when that drop happens, I just become totally disoriented in this mall. This mall is huge, and it currently has 231 stores, and that's a lot of stores for a mall. And the nice thing about Fashion Show Mall also is that most of the stores are occupied, unlike malls around the country. This is pretty much, I'm going to say, about 90% occupied right now. Some of the anchor stores, or department stores if you will, here at the Fashion Show Mall include Neiman Marcus, Forever 21, Macy's, Macy's Men, Saks Fifth Avenue, Nordstrom's, Dick's Sporting Goods, and Dillard's. Those escalators on the first level going down to the basement go down to a huge parking garage here at the mall. And now I hope most of you have been paying attention and haven't fallen asleep yet, but as you can see, we haven't taken an escalator or elevator since we've gotten in this building, and lo and behold, we were magically transported to the first floor where we came in at the second floor. When and where this happened, I have no idea. Hey! It's Jeff from New York! Stop freaking with my head! I'm trying to make a cohesive video here! By the way, they do actually have fashion shows here at the Fashion Show Mall. That was a runway I just ran down, and there's spotlights overhead and a sound system and a DJ booth, and I'm never here during a fashion show, but that's what all this equipment's for. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Some of the sit-down restaurants here at the Fashion Show Mall include Benihana, California Pizza Kitchen, The Capitol Grill, Segundo, Galpo Gacho Brazilian Steakhouse, Genie's, Maggiano's Little Italy, NM Cafe, RA Sushi Bar and Restaurants, Drip Burger and Chicken, and Sugar Factory. Well, thank goodness, it looks like someone put the first floor back where it's supposed to be, and now there's a third floor. And amazingly, we haven't gone up or down yet. Lo and behold, a Johnny Rockets. You guys know I love Johnny Rockets. It's my go-to place for a satisfying and inexpensive meal. So if you're in the Fashion Show Mall, check them out on the second floor. Or is it the third? No, I think it's the first. Just check them out. And speaking of eating, it can be very expensive on the Las Vegas Strip. Fashion Show Mall is a great place to come if you're looking for an inexpensive meal, whether it's lunch or dinner. Just stop in here and you got tons of choices. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer. Tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. I was about to head upstairs here, but then I started to wonder, have I been up there already? I really don't know. Well, let's check it out. Hold on tight. Okay, people are soaking their feet in aquariums filled with fish. This is stupid on so many levels. Also, where's PETA when you need them? Hey! COVID police! People are soaking their diseased, dirty feet in shared aquariums over here. And I can't even enjoy a cocktail at my favorite lounge. This is Kappa Toys, and I love, capital L-O-V-E, love this toy store. I've already covered it in another Fashion Show Mall video, and I'll put a link to that below. I'm not going to cover it on this one, but this store is so unique. It's got tons of items that you just can't find anywhere as far as toys are concerned. And whatever floor we're on is ending right here. And here's yet another spa where you soak your feet in aquariums filled with fish. I'm gonna open my own spa up and stock the aquariums with piranhas. That'll teach these people a lesson. Speaking of opening my own businesses, Victoria's Secret's coming up here on the left-hand side, and I want to open a store that's called Victoria Can't Keep a Secret. In my store, we'll post everything you purchased on social media after you leave. So yeah, these are pretty, but something tells me they're just not machine washable. Check out the NewYorkVegas.com link in the description below. If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, you could save up to 50% on hotels, restaurants, shows, and attractions. So before we leave the Fashion Show Mall today, we'll take one more escalator up. I don't know what floor it'll take us to. I'm thinking the Twilight Zone. Hold on tight. And that's it for the Fashion Show Mall today, guys. But before we leave, we'll check out the food court. I always seem to find that. And unlike the food courts you'll find in hotels and casinos along the Strip, this one has a beautiful view of the Strip outside.
Hey ladies, thank you for watching the New York channel.
Subscribe to the New York channel, girls.
Ring the bell so you never miss any of the man's videos.
That reminds me, I have to pick up a six-pack on the way back to the hotel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.